Okay, the next step is we're gonna install the handle. Don't need this right now, but what you're gonna need is an Allen key set and like a flat bar or a slotted screwdriver, fairly hefty one. And the package you're gonna get is a door handle package like this, and one set will have Allen key marks on it. Okay, the first handle we're gonna grab is the one without the Allen keys, and that's gonna go on the outside of your door. I take my pins, push them through, and I just start with the top. Just thread it in a little bit, then evenly thread in your bottom. And once you got it kind of threaded in, I just sort of push it in tight that way. And then I tighten these up. I do a few turns on the top, a few turns on the bottom, just sort of evenly thread them in. And you want this fairly tight. I'm gonna grab my Allen keys and the inside handle. I just want to back these Allen keys right off. And sometimes these are a little bit fussy to go on. But you just give it a good, and that looks fairly tight there and there, so we're all good to go. And then we tighten up the Allen keys. Now we have a handle on.